Welcome to the CosBond Workshop. Today we're going to finish our series on how we made Kat's lunar form outfit from Gravity Rush 2. In this video we'll go over how we applied all of the foam details with CosBond's Attach Build, how we added LEDs to our armor, and how we got everything strapped and ready to go. Now that our foam details are dry and ready to go, we're going to start applying them to Kat's outfit using CosBond's Attach Build. I first traced the tubes onto my Attach Build. I cut it out, and then I peeled the back and stuck it to my foam tube. To get an idea of where you want to stick things, you can put the foam pieces on while you're wearing the outfit, or you can add little secret marks where you want your pieces to go. Once I stuck on all the tubes, I flipped the outfit inside out and went over the back with an iron just to get the adhesives into the fabric more. I also used Attach and Build to stick the foam tubes to these suede boots I got from my cat Cosplay. With our tubing on the outfit, we can move on to the LEDs that we're going to put inside our armor. To easily stick them to our armor, we can use CosBond's Wire Manager. For the lighting, I chose blue LED fairy lights because they already come with a battery pack installed. Cut your wire manager into short strips. Peel off the release paper and place the strips over your wiring. If you aren't happy with where you place your wire, you can easily slip your LEDs out and reconfigure them. Our armor is done and ready for straps. For this, I used CosBond's Attach and Build and CosBond's Reinforcer just to make sure they didn't go anywhere. For the nylon part, cut out enough to stick to your armor, but also enough to attach the Velcro to. I used about 5 inches. I then traced 3 inches of it onto my CosBond Attach and Build, cut it out, peeled it, stuck it to our nylon, peeled the release paper, and stuck that side to our armor. Now, to keep your nylon in place, cut out enough reinforcer with about ½ inch extra around it. Then stick your Velcro to your nylon in the same way. Then stick the other side of your Velcro directly to your armor. I like to make sure the soft side of the Velcro is against your skin or fabric. Use the same method on all your armor pieces. Now that my armor is ready to wear, my outfit is set, and my wig is brushed, the last thing I had to do was take the foam tube that goes around Kat's leg to the con with me. That way I could stick the foam onto my tights once I had the rest of the costume on. CosBond adhesives are not recommended on stretchy fabrics like this, but because it's non-toxic, I figured I could at least give it a try. It stuck on for the whole day, but I had to add more the following day. Kat's outfit is complete and ready to be worn to a con. Look out for a reveal video of Kat's lunar form cosplay.